Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Firstly, just access settings and scroll down. Now tap on security over here, scroll down just a bit and tap on face unlock. Following that, you need to enter your current screen lock and tap on setup at the bottom right corner. Now just set up at the bottom right corner one more time and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those settings by clicking on the switchers next to those two features, and when you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner. Then done! Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!